Hi guys! Today I'm gonna be making this little charm, which is a air balloon charm, hot air balloon charm with some white clouds inside. Let's get started. First off, I start with my mold, a hot air balloon mold I got from eBay. And I'm gonna remove some dust from it because I don't want dust in my mold, because then my resin piece will be dusty and I don't want that. It looks good. I'm gonna be using the small one in this case and some UV resin. I'm gonna start off with filling it halfway up. I actually kind of fill it too much, but I'll just work around it. And I'm going to use my toothpick to move it around a little bit and just make sure everything is where I want it to be. And then I'm going to use my lighter. The flame makes any bubbles pop. And then I'm going to use my UV lamp. You can also use the sun, but it takes a lot longer, so I prefer my UV lamp. Then we're going to make the clouds. I'm going to use kneaded rubber, preferably white. You can use any color that you want, but I want white clouds, so I'm going for the white one. This is actually from Japan, but I think you can find something online as well. To begin with, you have to knead it or else it won't really work the way that you want it to. You won't get nice clouds. So just warm it up, knead it, and then you just stretch it out on a flat surface like this. This is what you want. So once you got that ready, you just put some resin in the mold again. There we go. And poke around with a toothpick. Put the resin where it should be. Like that. And then I'm gonna use my toothpick to pick up some pieces of the rubber, which will be our clouds. And then I'm just trying to coat it with resin so I won't have any weird bubbles inside or anything like that. And then place it where I want. And we're good to go. I'm just gonna go over with my lighter again. I don't want any bubbles, so... And clean up. It's nice to clean up every once in a while. Boop, boop. And under the light again for about a minute. Now we're ready for some color. I'm gonna use some dye, resin dye that I also got from eBay, and I'll put a little of UV resin and 1 drop of blue dye and 1 drop of white dye. Mix them together a little bit until I get the color that I want. In this case, light blue. Kind of like the light blue color in the back there. And you don't really need that much. I only used this drop. That's enough for me. And I'm only gonna do the top part of the air balloon because that's where I want the color. we go. And under the light for a little bit. I'm just gonna do a coat on the back. Also, I want this to be a charm, so I'm going to use this small loop. This is a mold I got from Japan. It's from a brand called Padiko. And yeah, you can use metal as well, but I want this to kind of have this crystal resin feel, so I went for this instead. So this loop has kind of like an indent on it. I just need to remove some resin pieces on it. But yeah, it has an indent on it, so I have to take out the hot air balloon like that and use this as like a stand. So now I just need some resin to glue this together. Yeah, use the toothpick, not your hands, because you don't want resin on your hands. That hurts after a while. And there we go, it's stuck. So this is the charm. This is the completed charm. Just giving you a close-up. I really like this color, like a light blue. So I want this to be a phone strap type of charm, so I'm just gonna add this strap onto it. It's pretty easy, you just put it on and you're done. Like that. And you're done. So that's how you make a hot air balloon charm with clouds. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. And please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. I'll try to put out more craft videos for you guys. And see ya.